See, Maresca should not bench him. Those who were saying that Jackson is not important. See, this is where we will see the reality. Nowadays, football is just more than only scoring goals. Before you can score goal as a team, certain things will happen. Defenders have to defend very well. Midfielders have to play very well. Yes, cut the passing lane. Wingers have to dribble. Yes, give crosses, give assists. To some extent, it reach the striker and the striker put the ball at the back of the net. You have to press, do so many things. So football now pass scoring goal. That is why in modern football, it is necessary to have a good defense so that even you can use one goal and win a football match. But some people wasn't realizing the importance of Jackson. I'm telling you, some fans, when they are insulting Jackson, going for Jackson, as if Jackson never done a single good thing for Chelsea when he came to Chelsea. What is that? What is that? So for me, if I'm Maresca, I'm not benching Nkunku until Nkunku is also injured, or see, even if we can't get shot on target, Nkunku must continue playing. Some fans say that Nkunku is all the way. So no way for me, I start Nkunku. The last game, no shot on target. The last game, no shot on target. In the history of Jackson's career in Chelsea, he never be in a game and Chelsea will not get shot on target. If Jackson is involved, if Jackson is there, we create chances. He take that direct round, creative rounds. Even if Jackson can score, he open up spaces for other players to score. But some fans will just be talking as if for Jackson there, he never did a single good thing for Chelsea. What is that? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is your boy, Richman. In fact, guys, let's talk about this few things. Enzo Maresca changing his ways, or Enzo Maresca now change his ways. And Chelsea Conference League opponent reveal, guys. Round of 16 opponent. So come and talk about that draw, guys. And also Champions League draw has been revealed also. And our game against Aston Villa, away game. Can Chelsea win it? And I will come out with my starting 11 also and my score prediction. So please, guys, watch this video till the end. And please hit the like button for this video to go far on the YouTube algorithm. And hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell. More videos are coming. Let's start with Enzo Maresca. In fact, guys, today's press conference, Chelsea Aston Villa. Enzo Maresca now said that top 4 is the target. Chelsea getting top 4 this season is the target. The same Enzo Maresca said that when he joined Chelsea, when he has been appointed, nobody informed him about top 4. No. Nobody tells him that at the end of this season, he should get Chelsea a top 4. Now, that same Enzo Maresca, that same person is telling you and I that top 4 is now the target. You see? You see? Words are changing, guys. Conversations are changing. The protest hasn't come. How many days left for 4 days? Today's day is 21st as we're shooting this video. The protest will come on 25th. Words are changing. Yes, things are now coming out. And after the protest, I am telling you, we will hear a lot about the project. We will hear a lot about the... See, they are monitoring whatever we are saying here. Whatever we are saying here is not going waste. No. All the comments you are leaving here, I'm saying here, making noise, come here, open my mouth to 360 degrees, will come here, write upon writing, come. See, it is not going waste. They are saying, they are monitoring. So, guys, the same Enzo Maresca who said we should wait for 2 years, 3 years to come before we start competing. Now he is saying this season, top 4 is Chelsea target. Yes, the same Enzo Maresca is not saying that this season, top 4 is the target. Is the target. See, we have something we call psychological thing. Like the way you are thinking. Sometimes it happens. Yes, when Thomas Tuchel was appointed as Chelsea manager, he said that we want to build a team that will be difficult to play against. And at the end of the day, it happened. Within 4 months, he delivered Champions League trophy, FIFA Club trophy, Super Cup. Sometimes your dreams or our dreams normally come true. Yes, because when you have a dream, it is in your mind every day. So you will be working hard to achieve it. So as a football manager, you are telling me that the players and the fans that this season is not for top 4. That they didn't inform you to get top 4 this season unless years to come. That means you are telling the players that they should not play like top 4 team. See, if you want to get top 4 in a particular season, you have your playing style. Your playing style is totally different from if you are not targeting top 4 or playing for top 4. That is why we have big teams and smaller teams. To be honest, yes, top 4 teams, those who want to win the Premier League, their playing style, the way they approach games are totally different from those who want to survive relegation. Like our brothers there, Manchester United, they married to 15 and 14 position. For them, you can see how they are playing. When they are playing, if you just beat them, okay, they will relax. But this is Chelsea. This is Chelsea. Anytime you hear the name Chelsea, it means winning. Our aim, our core aim is winning. So even Chelsea getting top 4 in a season is a failure. Yes, in a season, Chelsea must compete for the league title. Yes, that is how we used to know Chelsea. But unluckily, things went differently. New owners, so things changed. By the way, that is the same Chelsea. That is the same brand. I was supporting Chelsea under Abramovich. You were supporting Chelsea under Abramovich. But when the ownership changed, did we change him? No. We're still supporting Chelsea. So that is the same Chelsea. So as a manager, you got to have that winning mentality. You got to have that big team mentality, big team manager telling me that I shouldn't be hoping for top 4 this season until next season to come or next year. What is the guarantee that even the next years we are talking about, Chelsea will get top 4? How many seasons now? 3 seasons. We haven't played Champions League football. So what are you waiting for? If you can do it, do it. If you can do it, do it. So guys, now our Enzo Maresca has come to realization, has come to conversation that Chelsea target this season is top 4 position. Let me hear from you under the comment section, guys. Your opinion, your thought about Enzo Maresca comments. And let's come to our Conference League. Yes, Chelsea is going to play against Copenhagen or Copenhagen, whatever the name, Copenhagen. And this team, it seems I know them somewhere, guys. Oh, it seems we know them somewhere. Last season, with one of our Premier League rivals. Yes. Okay. Manchester United. Yeah, they were in the same group with Manchester United in Champions League last season. They beat them. Okay. Yeah, I remember. I was to forget. Yes. Now, okay. Copenhagen against Chelsea. Yes. Chelsea against Copenhagen. Can we win? Can we beat them? Because, see, so many of us may be looking at this draw Chelsea against Copenhagen to be a smaller game or to just be an easy game. No. See, this kind of teams, especially playing against Gen teams, Premier League teams, they will come out, all out, until you make them look nonsense, until you let them know that you have the experience more than them. Put the ball at the back of the net so many times before they will become weak. This kind of teams, I fear them. Even if Chelsea were to play like against the informed teams in the tournament like Fiorentina and co, so many, yes, you know that, okay, this team, they are ready. They have been playing well. We will prepare very well. But this kind of teams, you will look down upon them, you underrate them, and the time that you realize, they will surprise you. Yes, they will cause upset. Although I know we are the favorite, but I am not too comfortable. Looking at this draw, I'm not too convinced. Let me put it that way. I'm not too convinced. But I know we can beat them. But it will not be easy. As we are looking at it, it will not be easy. I'm telling you. Chelsea Copenhagen. They beat our good brothers, Manchester United. So why show that they can't beat Chelsea? But we are Chelsea. Chelsea and Manchester United, we are totally different. That is why we are targeting top 4. Maybe win the league. They are targeting to survive relegation. That is our difference. And see, I said it already in one of my videos. Chelsea and Manchester United, our difference is that Chelsea, we know our problems. Chelsea, GSC, we know our problems. But Manchester United, they don't know their problem. See, ask any Manchester United, ask 3 Manchester United fans, their problem. All of them will give you different problems. Yes, but Chelsea, when you ask Chelsea fans, they will give you the same problem. Our owners, the kind of players they are signing for us, they haven't met the level, the standard to play for Chelsea. That is our problem. But Manchester United, look at them, look at their team. They have young players, experienced players, still they are suffering. What we are crying for, they have them. So for them, they don't know their problem. Yes. So guys, this Copenhagen, we'll beat them, forget. And you see what FIFA did, guys, just to make this game difficult for Chelsea. You know the game is going to be 2 leagues game. Yes, first league and second league. And there's sometimes, mostly, European competition, second league is the vital game that decide the game or who will qualify. So they put the second league to be away game, away from Stamford Bridge. So even if they come to our home and we beat them very well, we'll go to their home, everything will decide. So that the game will not be easy for us. And not bad, we are Chelsea. If not because things are not going the way we want. Charlie won't come to European competition. Forget. Chelsea, we are good. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. The Conference League draw, Chelsea Copenhagen. Do you think we can beat them? We can beat them easily as we are looking at that game. And let's come to the Champions League part. Let's look at our rivals, Arsenal. Arsenal draw against PSV. Wow. I think this game, Arsenal will win. They will qualify. But the issue here is that, guys, if Arsenal win, they will play against Real Madrid or Atlético Madrid. Any of these two teams. If they win, whether Real Madrid win or Atletico win, Arsenal will play against them. So that is the issue. That is the problem. Yes. This is why Arsenal came to Chelsea and got Havertz. They got Jorginho. Yes. To have the success of Chelsea Champions League. Yes. But I don't think they will survive this time around. Arsenal against Real Madrid. It will be an easy game. Forget. Arsenal cannot qualify. I wish because I heard if Liverpool and Arsenal go to semi-final or quarter-final, we'll get 5th position. Yes, to qualify Champions League next season. Maybe that 5th position will help Man City. But forget, Chelsea, we are getting top 4. We are entering top 4 this season. If Chelsea doesn't get top 4, this will happen. This will happen. So, guys, that is the Conference League draw and the Champions League draw. And let's talk about our game, Chelsea-Aston Villa. Chelsea-Aston Villa. In fact, this game, it will be like a final. See, I will just go and watch it as a Chelsea fan. I will not expect a lot. But I am hoping and I am praying that Chelsea win. Let's win. Because this game, if we win this game, see, it will define a lot of things. See, if Chelsea win this game, it really means that we are back. Because Aston Villa, see, they are good this season, especially recently. Although they haven't won their last 5 games, but they were difficult to beat. And their front line, they have everybody recently. The first Aston Villa that will play is different Aston Villa we are going to play. The Aston Villa will play at the first round. This Aston Villa is total different Aston Villa. So if we beat them, I'm telling you that we are back. If we can beat Aston Villa, this Aston Villa, Chelsea is back. And we can beat them. We can beat them. We have the men, we have the players. If the players put in the hard work, yes, not being lazy, we can win this game. I'm telling you. But it will be difficult. It will be difficult. Although, I would say they are the favorite because looking at their previous game against Liverpool, they almost beat Liverpool. At the end, they drew. So I can say they are the favorite. And I like it. Sometimes when Chelsea is not the favorite, we win. Yeah, some games, if we are labeled as, they will just beat Chelsea. This game, Chelsea will not win. Sometimes we win those games. So let's hope. This time around, it happened again. Yes. And guys, my starting 11 for this game, Jorgensen on goal, Tosin and Chalobah, the left back position, Cucurella, and the right back position, James. Yes. And these center backs or these defenders, I think they can do better for us. But we don't know. Maresca will end up bringing Liverpool. I don't understand. Liverpool is out of form, but Maresca keep on using him. The same thing he did with Disasi. To some extent, Disasi became rubbish. Yes. And the midfield position, Caicedo and Enzo, as usual, the best partnership in world football as we are speaking now. Yes, Caicedo and Enzo Fernandez, the best and the best midfielders. But guys, to be honest, see, recently, Enzo Fernandez is not helping us. Enzo Fernandez is not doing anything in the midfield recently. See, no tacklings, no assists. He can't shoot. He can't score. As a midfielder, modern midfielder, you can't score. You can't give direct pass. You can't give creative pass. You are just doing that short passes. Pam. No. In fact, guys, Enzo, he has to upgrade his game. Caicedo is just doing all the dirty works in the midfield, the dirty job. He is doing the tackling. He is doing the marking, everything, the passes. Enzo, I don't understand. But Chelsea fans, we are not saying this. But Jackson missed a chance. You hear the word talking about Jackson. Enzo is not helping Chelsea. But nobody is talking. But immediately Jackson missed a single chance. Yes, the workaholic Jackson. Yes, he missed a single chance. Chelsea fan. Go and look at Liverpool, Aston Villa. Nunes missed a chance. In fact, a winning game chance. Nobody is talking about it. But if it were to be Chelsea, our fans, see, sometimes we have to protect the players. We have to protect our players. Yes, we can criticize them, but it has to have a limit. Because not every day that he's playing that bad for Chelsea. Yes, our players, some days they will perform well like Enzo. Some days Enzo will perform. But if he's no more doing well, we can talk. But when we talk, we shouldn't extend it, showing our weak point to opponent teams, opponent fans. No, it's not good. It's not good. So guys, the midfield position, Caicedo and Enzo Fernandez. And the leg wing position, I start Neto. The right wing position, Truk George, because Madueke is out for 4 games. So almost a month. Maresca said he will return after the international break. So I'll put Truk George there. The last game as a substitute, he performed, he played well. And the attacking area, Cole Palmer, as usual. Yes, the best player in the Premier League, as we are speaking now. Yes. And recently they came out with the Ballon d'Or statistics. Yes, from 1 to 12, if I can remember well. Cole Palmer's name is Pat. Yes, and he deserves it. He deserves it. So the attacking area, I will start Cole Palmer. And the striking position, I will start Nkunku. See, Maresca should not bench him. Those who were saying that Jackson is not important. See, this is where we'll see the reality. Nowadays, football is just more than only scoring goals. Before you can score goals as a team, certain things will happen. Defenders have to defend very well. Midfielders have to play very well. Yes, cut the passing lane. Wingers have to dribble. Yes, give crosses, give assists. To some extent, it reach the striker and the striker put the ball at the back of the net. You have to press, do so many things. So football now pass scoring goal. That is why in modern football, it is necessary to have a good defense so that even you can use one goal and win a football match. But some people wasn't realizing the importance of Jackson. I'm telling you, some fans, when they are insulting Jackson, going for Jackson, as if Jackson never done a single good thing for Chelsea when he came to Chelsea. What is that? What is that? So for me, if I'm Maresca, I'm not benching Nkunku until Nkunku is also injured, or see, even if we can't get shot on target, Nkunku must continue playing. Some fans say that Nkunku is all the way. So no way for me, I start Nkunku. The last game, no shot on target. The last game, no shot on target. In the history of Jackson's career in Chelsea, he never be in a game and Chelsea will not get shot on target. If Jackson is involved, if Jackson is there, we create chances. He take that direct round, creative rounds. Even if Jackson can score, he open up spaces for other players to score. But some fans will just be talking as if for Jackson there, he never did a single good thing for Chelsea. What is that? So guys, that is my starting 11. And my score prediction for this game, I will say Chelsea to Aston Villa 1. And please hit the like button for this video to go far. Hit the subscription button when I see the numbers. It give me the belief, the hope, the motivation to give you more videos. Take care. Peace.